Want to know how I was able to outperform the market this week? Well, make sure you stay till the end of the video for the full trading recap. Welcome back to a new video. As always, if you enjoy the content, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. So as I mentioned, today we're going to be going over all the trades that I ended up taking last week and how I was able to outperform the market by a lot, actually. So we're up a little bit over 1%, which is equal to around $60. And that's actually pretty good considering the markets overall are down close to 5% for the week. We can see right here, it's down a little bit over $16, which is 5.17%. However, at one point, the SPY was actually down close to $20, which is a little bit over 6%. So I'm not complaining, that's what I've kind of been aiming for, a little bit over 1% returns by selling option premiums. And I've been hitting my goal for the last couple of weeks and months. But back to the video. So the first position that I will explain is on Hertz, ticker symbol HTZ. And I just recently made a video on why my personal thoughts on this company. You guys can go check that out. However, I don't really see myself trading this company anymore just because of all the things that are going around surrounding this company. However, this week I was able to profit $20 off of it. If you can go ahead and see right here, we ended up selling the 1.5 put for a total premium of $20. And basically what that means is that as long as HTZ was above $1.50 by the end of this week, which was this last Friday that just passed, I was going to profit $20. And as you guys can see, Hertz is considerably higher than $1.50, so we were able to profit those $20. The next position that I ended up taking was a couple of options on American Airlines. And basically, I took 3 different positions on here, and it was kind of a iron condor in a way because I pinpoint the price range within 19.5 and 16.5. The reason why I say that is because we ended up selling a call credit spread. We can see right here, and so basically the strikes for a 19.50 short call and a $20 long call. So basically what that means is that I wanted the price of American Airlines to be anywhere below $19.50. However, we also ended up putting 2 naked short put options, one for 16.5 strike and the other one for 14.5 strike, and received a total premium of $15 for the $14 one and $47 for the $16 one. So basically, the way I was going to profit off of this was as long as American Airlines stayed anywhere between 16.5 and 19.5, we would get to keep all this premium without having to purchase any of the shares. And if you can go ahead and look at the price of American Airlines, it ended exactly between those 2 price ranges. It ended at $16.68. So we were able to keep all the premium of those options without having to get assigned on any of the shares of American Airlines. The last position I ended up taking was a position on Ford, and if we go ahead and check down here, we can see that I ended up selling the $7 strike put for a total premium of $15. However, we did end up getting assigned. As we can see, the current price of Ford is $6.41, so we ended up getting assigned 100 shares with an average cost of $7. However, my actual cost basis is $6.85 because we sold the option and we received a total premium of $15. So what I plan on doing on this one is just continuing to sell covered calls until eventually they get called away. Like I mentioned, I don't think Ford is a bad investment, especially once they bring back the dividends. So I am not too worried about holding Ford for a couple of weeks or even months if I have to, because the premiums are actually pretty decent. So we're actually down $59 on it right now, and this was the only loss that I had on my account this week. However, as I mentioned, I think we're going to be able to lower our cost basis fairly quickly because the implied volatility overall in the market is pretty high, and so this shouldn't be that big of a problem. We still ended up the week up $60. Could have been a lot more if we didn't get assigned on Ford, but I'm not really worried that I got assigned just because it's a relatively stable stock that has been here for a long time and has a good cash on hand. So like I said, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.